my law firm, we work with business owners, and unlike most law firms, we don't like to make money representing people who are being sued. We figured that a long time ago that our clients like us better when we're not having to bail them out of trouble. So we spent a lot of time going around talking to groups about how not to be sued. So legal issues in social media. I want to frame a conversation about who's doing the talking. When you're posting on behalf of a business in social media, who actually owns that account? To defend the privacy made in law, ask for permission. When there's also Peter, because this morning was telling me yesterday the FTC is going to miss if you were seriously going to be actually going out to the public market to raise that money. Okay. The laws evolve. All right, so that's kind of hiring and firing. Hopefully there won't be a lawsuit. Again, if you've been clear with the employee from the get-go as to who owns that particular platform. Clarity, intention, those are going to be, we're going to keep revisiting those kind of concepts.
I'm a freelancer and you want to put up examples of your work, say in your portfolio piece, and all these things are copyrighted and owned by the companies I've done the work for. Can I put them up?
What happens when employees or ex-employees make the poor decision to badmouth a business publicly on social media?
If their job is to administer your site, you have to like it in order to be an administrator. What about a situation like that?
Is it black and white? There's just no way to protect that information from them leaving and doing something else later on.
I wrote a blog post about wasting time on social media, and I found I found a photo of like a clock in a trash can that somebody made. So can I still use that photo if I give it credit to where I found it?
Once it's taken, it's copyrighted.
Again, I keep using the word defense because that means you're being sued. You've had to hire a lawyer to assert the defense for you. About that, I wouldn't necessarily in every tweet, but if you essentially are being compensated.
You can turn off the option to allow you to embed. So
was an opportunity to exclude. Right. And so I listed everything as LinkedIn to everything else, so that
So my tip: I follow on Facebook another artist in Holland. And she put on her Facebook, if you sign up for my blog, I will send you an art print. So this came to me from Holland. It's got 2 art prints on it, but also she advertises.
Our Twitter question was how to make our Twitter more efficient or how to link it. And what I have been doing is I've been retweeting like crazy. I go and look for things that I think would be of interest to our community.
We were talking about law and legal issues and stuff like that, and you can disable sharing on your video. So if the video is not disabled in YouTube, you can actually you can click the share, and you can embed that video on your page. And I'm not a lawyer, but you shouldn't have any legal problems with that. But if you download the video and upload it to your YouTube channel or change it, even if you change it significantly, you're creating a derivative work and you're going to end up in hot water. So don't do that.
Online reputation management that you can do on LinkedIn, where you're trying to manage your reputation, and you get to say good things about yourself in your own profile and on your company pages to kind of overdo whatever negative things might be going on. So just keep it, you can also have the difference between your own profile and also your company pages, and then keep the, manage your online reputation that way.
So we were with the Pinterest group in the corner, and we were extremely creative in coming up with our tip because we looked at the next page and it had the timely tip under there. So, but yeah, they just launched a free analytics tool, Pinterest did, and this is just a great way for you to know, who's, going, how many people are going to your specific page, how many pins, repins, all that information is now available. And as Pinterest becomes goes from more of a personal thing to a business solution. I think that'll be really helpful in the future.